Hello, this is Jordan at Kalispell Toyota. Let's take a look at this pre-owned 2024 Toyota 4Runner Off-Road Premium. Looking at the front, that hood scoop is part of the off-road look. We do have our radar up here for our dynamic radar cruise control, as well as other features. This vehicle is also equipped with fog lights. Tires you had asked about. Let's take a look. We didn't bring a measuring tool, but we do have decent tread on these. We looked at the driver's side front. We're looking at the driver's side rear now. Passenger side rear tire. Passenger side front tire. Taking a look inside, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. We do have the Toyota Safety Sense package. That's going to include these automatic high beams, as well as blind spot monitors. The mirrors right there. We have a power driver's seat. We have the all-weather mats from Toyota. We have a push-button start. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. We've got analog display clusters. The digital in the center there. Looking at the steering wheel, we have adaptive cruise control as well as lane departure assist. Back to the screen, we do have a factory navigation as well. It's always nice to see. One of the signature features of the off-road package is that you do have a real four-wheel drive shifter there, automatic transmission, with a sequential shifter there. So I can go to drive, and then here, and then we're in automatic transmission. I can manually shift through the 5 gears there. Speaking of the off-road package, we have our crawl control features here, and then we have our traction control and our rear differential locker. It also includes the SOS button there and garage door opener. Let's go ahead and take a real close look at the condition of the leather, starting with the driver's seat here. Cleaned a little better, but it looks to be in great shape. Now we're on the passenger side. We have a power adjustable seat here as well. Let's take a close look at the leather. Moving on to the rear seat, let's take a look. Carpet. Taking a look at the carpet, that all seems to be in great shape as well. Taking a look at the rear, we are equipped to tow. We also have a wiring there, tow hook tucked underneath. You can see that we have a genuine, real spare tire. And back here, looks like, along with the all-weather mats around the vehicle, there are these carpet mats as well. You have your 120 400 watt here. One of the nice things you get with 4Runner. This is a 2-row version. They do make a 3-row, but this one here just has the 2, which gives you a little more storage. Take a close look at the interior on this side. Again, the leather seems to be overall in really great shape. And the floors, the carpet looks really good as well. I want to bring to your attention that this vehicle is equipped with heated seats for the front driver and passenger. I'm going to try to do just a quick scan around the interior here so you can get the best idea possible of the condition of this vehicle despite not being here in person. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions or if there's anything I can do, please let me know.